Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the long-awaited video of how to find cute clothes and building your dream closet and having a nice aesthetic. So today I'll be focusing on two forms, which is one, actually finding the clothes, and then two, how I ship all of it and the more nitty-gritty details I don't want to talk about because I'm lazy. So before you actually watch this video, if you want to see the quality and my reviews on the things I did get for cheap, make sure you watch these two videos that I've linked right here, because they're the reviews and haul videos that I made from everything that I got using this exact method, and it makes your life so much easier. Like, trust me, there would be no more painful shopping, walking around Causeway Bay, going to Forever 21 or H&M just to see oh, let's not taco about it shirts, or I don't know, just horrendous clothes. Who designed it? So if you guys want to see cute clothes and how I got them for really cheap, and I built my dream closet, I guess, just keep watching. But make sure you subscribe, and comment down below if you guys want to see more videos and give me more video ideas, because I'll definitely be posting them every week. And I'm sorry that this video was late this week, just because college did just start for me this week and I had to adjust all the time differences, but I'll be posting Sunday and Wednesdays every week. But without further ado, let's just get started. So basically what I do is the easiest thing in the world, but I feel like nobody freaking understands it. I started off by going to Pinterest. So once you go into Pinterest, you make your boards. I'm pretty sure everyone has a board, and if you don't have a board, go make one now of all the cute clothes that you like you see these aesthetic things, and I put them into different folders and boards. So if you guys want to check out my Pinterest, here's the plug. But I make them into different accounts, and then I take the photos, I screenshot the clothes that I actually want, because sometimes I just go to them for inspiration as to what to wear, but sometimes I actually just want the exact piece of clothing. Like this shirt, I found this top through this method. So basically what you do is you screenshot a photo of it, and then in my method I use it with Taobao, but I'm pretty sure it works with Amazon, or just putting it in Google as well. But it's a little bit harder just because you have to go through so much more stuff and it's not as reliable. But I go into Taobao, and then when you go in and log in, I'm pretty sure you need a Chinese thing, but I'll be talking about that afterwards. You go into Taobao, then you go into the search bar in this tab, and then at the top on the search bar right next to it, there is this photo option that nobody seems to see. But basically, you take that photo. It could be someone who's from TikTok. It could literally be someone on Instagram. If you've always wanted to buy something on those Instagram ads, you can also do that with this method. And you just put the photo in, and it literally shows you 10 million options as to what you can get for a cheaper price. And what you want to do is that when you're shopping for these things, after using the photo search, you need to make sure that, one, you read the reviews under, if you can read Chinese, and if you can't, maybe try to put it into a Google Translate. Two, make sure to check how many people have actually bought it, because it's kind of like Amazon. You can put whatever you want on there. It's like eBay. But at the same time, if it's not reliable enough, then nobody would buy it. If there's only 0 or 3 buyers, you probably should not be touching that item, just because it doesn't seem doesn't seem reliable. And you gotta make sure you check the prices after every single thing you look at, and look at the materials, because sometimes they do say it, and check the photos of the reviews, because that definitely helped me a lot when I was picking for clothes. Because a lot of the times, if you watch my hauls from before, the clothes that didn't have any reviews or photos were the ones that were more not the quality wasn't as good. So you just gotta make sure you check the quality and photos, comments, and number of buyers when you're buying anything from Taobao. And the next thing I do that could actually help you guys is that I've created a compilation of all the stores that I shop from, And most of the time when you click and find one cute store, you can actually go into any item inside that store, and then you go to the suggested bar. It's probably in Chinese, so if you can't read Chinese, I am very sorry. Just use Google Translate or something. But it should be all in the same places. Click into the suggested bar and then go through everything else that looks like it or that you might be interested in, and then take that exact photo and put it into the image search again, so that you might be able to find something that's cheaper and it's a lot like more reliable, because the higher number of buyers there's like more reviews, so then you get to know more about the actual items itself. So you just got to make sure you do those two things when you're buying it. But I've also linked all the stores down in the description box, so if you guys want to find somewhere to start, that is definitely a place that you can go to look for any of these cute items. And then yeah, that's about it. But next I'll be talking about shipping and how I ship all my clothes to make sure they get here on time without paying extra delivery fees. So what you want to do is that when you're actually buying your items, most of the time they're from different stores, because Taobao is kind of like Amazon. You buy clothes and they're all in different like stores, but once you order from one store, you have to pay delivery fees for that one store whenever it comes to your house. In Hong Kong, where I live, it's around $20 every single time they come. But I don't like to do that because I feel like it's so like useless. So what I do instead is called Ji-un, which is called like collected sending. They get all your materials when they're in the stock before they ship it, and they gather it together first before they actually ship it out, so that you don't have to wait as long and all the packages come at once rather than in like separate orders, so you don't have to pay as much for delivery fee. And I'm pretty sure you have to use a Chinese like credit card in order to pay for Taobao, but actually I'm not super sure, but I will check and put it right here. But other than that, most of the time it's a lot easier if you do speak Chinese. And yeah, that's about it for the Taobao section. But when you want to shop on AliExpress, which I don't at all, I've never shopped on AliExpress or Amazon, which I have done a couple of times, the quality was not that good, took a lot longer for shipping. And shopping on Amazon, I don't think you could do the image search thing, so it'd be harder, but you have to do it on Google, like the actual search engine itself, and then you look for clothes through that. But I think it's a lot less reliable because it's not like a collected place. Customer service is not as good, but Taobao, the customer service is like insane. And a lot of the times when you buy stuff, like if you buy a lot, they give you free items as well. So yeah, I totally would recommend buying off Taobao. But that is a very short video, and make sure you guys comment what you guys want to see next, and let me know if you do buy anything, and tag me if you ever post it on Instagram so I know what you guys buy, because I feel like that's so cute. And also just make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, because next week I'll be making a more productivity like week video. I don't know, like I'll be doing how to take notes and also get productive with me. And after that I'll be doing a thrift flip series, but just make sure you let me know what you guys want to see, because I'll definitely be looking to that as my next video ideas. And thank you so much for watching.
What a wonderful